Twitter has announced new, temporary, limits on how many posts people can read per day. Unverified accounts will now only be able to see 600 posts per day, with new unverified accounts limited to just 300 posts per day. Verified accounts will be able to read up to 6,000 posts per day. The platform has started blocking access for anyone who isn't logged in. Elon Musk blames data scrapers and system manipulation for the new limitations. This article discusses how to quantify engineering performance. It covers how to track tasks, ranking, what metrics to measure performance with, complexity, bugs, and much more. Many maladaptive symptoms in the corporate environment are caused by not having good methods for quantifying engineering performance. There are tremendous advantages to getting this right, as it holds the key to solving many of the dysfunctions that hold back engineering teams. Thousands of Reddit communities locked down last month to protest platform changes that would force a variety of third-party apps and services to shut down. Most communities have now opened back up, as the site told subreddit mods that it would replace them if their communities remained closed. Reddit has now exempted accessibility-focused apps from the new API pricing, and it promises to make accessibility improvements to its moderation tools over the next couple of months. While Reddit has gotten things mostly back to normal, many parts of its community are still pushing the protest message. This is a guide on how to do great work for anyone in any field. The factors in doing great work are ability, interest, effort, and luck. Finding work where ability and interest combine can lead to an explosion of new ideas. The only way to find the work you are most suited for is by trying. Many people are held back by modesty and fear. There are worse problems to have than experiencing failure. This article lists several ways in which decentralized systems could become effectively centralized. The trend towards non-permissible licenses in open-source AI seems clear. Most startups in the LLM industry are likely building on top of non-commercially licensed technology. AI engineers take AI advancements and shape them into real products used by millions, virtually overnight. Google's reputation for killing and abandoning products started with Google Reader, a feed reading tool beloved by its users. AI should be an uncredited and formless modifier of other technologies that gives familiar behaviors magical effects. Apple stock has skyrocketed nearly 48% this year. It reached a $3 trillion market cap back in January 2022 but failed to close at that level. Humane, a company started by former Apple employees that aims to create an AI-first post-smartphone future, has announced that its first gadget will be called the Humane Ai Pin. There is not much information about how the gadget will work, what it will do, or what it looks like. Humane has a partnership with Qualcomm to power the Ai Pin with an advanced Snapdragon platform. A video showing the company's co-founder demonstrating a device that could be the Ai Pin at a TED conference earlier this year is available in the article. Microsoft's Analog Interactive Machine, AIM, uses both binary and continuous variables to solve problems of optimization at a lightning-fast pace. The system uses optics and electronics to process continuous value data and perform vector matrix multiplications. Its components have been miniaturized to fit centimeter-scale chips. The AIM is no bigger than a rack enclosure. Optical computers could open up new fields of research while also reducing resources spent on performing complex calculations. A Japanese research team is set to begin clinical trials in July 2024 on a medication that might allow people to grow new teeth. If everything goes to plan, the team plans to have the medication ready for general use in 2030. The medicine is intended for people who lack a full set of adult teeth due to a congenital condition called anodontia. It works by blocking a certain protein's function. If the drug works in humans, it will be a game changer for the entire field of dentistry. GPT-Migrate makes it easy to migrate a codebase from one framework or language to another. It is still currently in development alpha and not yet ready for production use. A video demo showing GPT-Migrate being used to convert Python code to JavaScript is available.